Ever wonder what it feels like to glide over the water while watching everything happening beneath you? Today, we are putting the Aktivety KGT-001 to the test. If you have been searching for the best clear kayaks or a transparent kayak that won't take up your entire garage, this clear inflatable kayak might be your new favorite way to explore. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and purchase link in the description below. The experience, why this stands out. Most kayaks hide the water, but this see-through kayak changes the game. It is designed for scenic lake cruising and flatwater paddling, offering a unique panoramic view that standard boats just can't match. When you're out on the water, the clear bottom kayak design turns a standard trip into an immersive experience, like floating on a pane of glass. Features and versatility. This transparent tandem kayak is incredibly versatile. Whether you are hitting the lake for some water sightseeing or participating in a community river recreation event, it adapts to your needs. You can set it up as a two-person clear boat or adjust the seating to paddle solo. Key specs include capacity, holds up to 396 pounds. Portability, weighing only 12.16 kilograms. It's a lightweight inflatable kayak that packs down small enough to fit in most trunks. Setup, features a double-action pump for fast inflation, making it the perfect easy-store travel kayak. The good and the bad. As one of the top-rated transparent inflatable kayaks for recreational use, it balances novelty with real-world performance. The pros. Visibility. It's a fantastic see-through inflatable boat that makes every paddle more eye-catching. Build quality. The vinyl material is surprisingly thick and sturdy, feeling more durable than many expected for an inflatable. Portability. If you lack space, this compact pack-down kayak is a massive win. You can literally carry your boat to the lake in a bag. Comfort. The adjustable seats provide a comfortable ride for longer outings. The cons. Quality control. While most units are solid, some users have reported issues with seam sealing right out of the box. Always inflate and inspect your portable watercraft immediately upon arrival. Visibility expectations. While it provides a clear bottom kayak view, keep in mind it isn't exactly like a glass bottom boat. Water clarity conditions definitely affect what you see. Paddles. The included paddles are functional but basic. Serious paddlers might eventually upgrade to something more ergonomic. Final thoughts. If you want one of the best transparent kayaks for weekend fun, the Aktivety KGT-001 hits a sweet spot. It isn't built for whitewater rapids, but for recreational kayaking on calm lakes or slow rivers. It is an absolute blast. It's affordable, portable, and undeniably cool. If you are looking for a two-person clear kayak that brings a fresh perspective to your outdoor adventures, this one is worth a serious look. Have you ever paddled a clear boat? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to keep discovering the latest and greatest outdoor gear, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the best tech for your next adventure.